In this video, we show you how you can access your YouTube Studio on your web browser. So to do this, first open up your web browser and then head to youtube.com. So you'll see this typical YouTube homepage like this. Once you are on the YouTube homepage, you will need to click on the sign in option that appears here. So here you basically need to sign in with the YouTube account that you are using to upload content. So as you can see, I've already signed in using my account, so I'll simply click on it. If you are using multiple accounts, you can use this switch account option to switch to the account that you are using to upload videos. Once you are on the right account, you should see this YouTube Studio option. Simply click on it and this will take you to the YouTube Studio homepage. So as you can see, I'm on my channel dashboard and I can see all my channel and analytics, content and everything is appearing like this. Alternatively, you can also directly type in studio.youtube.com and it will take you to your YouTube Studio directly. So that way you don't need to go to youtube.com first. So as you can see, it's the same page, and here if you are using multiple channels, you can use this switch account option to switch to a different channel from here. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.